Hey guys, welcome to my video. Thank you for coming by today. I appreciate every one of you. So today's video, if you haven't caught on yet by the title, is about food prepping in order to maintain fitness goals. It's like 80% of being fit. In the beginning of the pandemic, I was on it. Things changed. My meal making went south, like real south. It's time to get back and start preparing our meals. I try to incorporate a protein, some micronutrients, heavy carbs, because I work out a lot. I'm an intuitive eater. I eat what I want, when I want. If I'm training for a marathon, obviously I'm gonna eat more. Anyway, let's get started with this meal. Let's just get started. This week I decided to try something new and add chai to my oatmeal. I added liquid collagen, almond butter, salt, chai tea, bananas, sprinkle of cinnamon, and that's it. You probably already know how to make it, so just make the rice. Make it. Then I chopped some onion and garlic. I sauteed the onions and the garlic. I added some mushrooms. And I added some pasta sauce. I love using pasta sauce. What can I say? This is some curry powder you can use to taste. I knew I was making this, so I added some chickpeas and some coconut milk and just poured it all in here. This is one of my favorite recipes. This is why I can do it. It's not exactly the traditional way, but it's still just as delicious. Darn cabinets. I could never keep them closed for some reason. What is wrong with me? What is wrong? Half flour, half corn grits. Yes, corn grits. Added salt to taste. I added some baking soda. And I mixed all those dry ingredients together. I added the secret sauce, the aquafaba, the chickpea water. Vanilla extract. To make it sweet, I added maple syrup and some coconut milk. I just find it creamier and it just tastes better. I can't tell you how much milk I put in there. I just try and look at it and see if it's too dense or too watery. And I butter the pan. It goes in the oven for 25 minutes at 400 degrees. Then that's it. It's done. When stuff is in the oven, you practice your dance moves. So I don't know. Is it like this? I'm gonna have to watch it again. Sometimes I have it in the morning if I'm running. Sometimes I have it with fruit. It just depends what I feel like. I cut the squash in half. Put them in a pan, filled it halfway with water, and put them in the oven for 30 minutes. I had to finish this the next day, so I added all the pieces. I added some coconut milk. Salt, as always. Onions and garlic. Once it was in the pan, I added butter, just like a spoonful or two. I added some ginger to taste. Et voila. I cut up some potatoes like so.
The K-Bell, they're like my favorites. I got these for myself actually.
Just added a little bit of seasoning, some salt, some olive oil, and paprika for a different type of flavor. Yes, I buy a ton of can of chickpeas because I just love them. This is where everything went awry. Tried to mix the chickpeas in my Ninja, but it wasn't working, so I added some water. And, I made it too soft. Added parsley, cumin, salt, onion. I added some baking soda. Like I said, it was too soft, so I had to add some flour in order to thicken it. Made it into patties though, because, it wasn't gonna work to make it into balls. Yeah, I made my own tzatziki sauce and I added it on top. Look how cute. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, like it. Hit the notification bell so you can know when I post a video. And don't forget to subscribe because that really, really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!